I do have the Academy Prop Camba today. 156 centimeters mid-wide. It's not as wide as some of my other wide Academies, but does just fine. It's early in the morning. Been the first person down in a couple of these runs, just behind the snowcats. So maybe later in the day it'll get there, especially if it gets warmer in the afternoon, maybe tomorrow morning. Get some ice. Right now it's good. We'll just skate right on over to Lenawee and we'll try to go to the top. Hopefully internet connection will hold and we can do a full top to bottom. A couple of ski racers tearing it up. East wall not open. I don't think anything in Montezuma is open yet. So no east wall, no Montezuma Bowl. Beavers terrain is open, limited. A couple of runs back there in Beavers I've done so far this season.